Namaste, I am Dr. P. Ramadevi. Today I am going to explain the Grahaprana Lakshana of Tala. The dance, when we are taking our song for choreography, we should know to which kind of Grahaprana Lakshanam the song belongs to, how it is going. Now, what is this Grahaprana Lakshana? Grahaprana Lakshana means the point where the song and the tala starts. You all know the sahityam, the song will be there, and we'll be doing the tala. Any tala from the sapta talas we'll be using. So the point where the song and the tala starts is called as Grahaprana Lakshana. This Grahaprana Lakshanam will be two kinds. Sometimes the song and the tala together will start. That means at the same time, tala and song will be starting. So it is called Samagraha Lakshana. Okay. And when it is going, sometimes song will be starting before or tala will be starting before, then it is Vishamagraha Lakshana. Okay, so there are two kinds of Grahaprana Lakshanas. One is Samagraha and the second one is Vishamagraha. So Samagraha means song and tala starting. 1, 2, like what I have to say? Alarulu kuriyaga adinade or Takuvemi manaku ramundokkadundu varaku. Anything. Okay. So the song and the tala will start together. It's called as Samagraham. Then Vishamagraham means the song will start before or sometimes the tala will start before. Why we have to know that? Because when you are choreographing the jati for that song, you have to, if the tala is starting before, then you have to add how many aksharas before, that many aksharas to the jati, or you have to reduce the syllables from the jati if the song is starting before the tala. That means you all know that always Avritam I have explained in my previous videos. Avritam means all the kriyas will be performed once. Now suppose if you take the Chatrasha Jati Triputatalam Aditalam only, 1, 2, 3, 4, the Laghu Chatrasha Jati Laghu and 2 Dhritas. So completing this is called as one Avrita. Okay, and I explained you also Pallavi will be singing from the complete will be singing in one Avrita or sometimes 2 Avritas, sometimes 4 Avritas it may take. So we should know. Now Balakanakamayi, suppose you take Balakanakamayi Chela Sujana Paripala Sri Rama Lola Vidruta Shara. So like this. Now suppose if there is a this is Samagraha. Now suppose a few songs which will be beginning before the talam starts. That means the Laghu starts in the Adi talam before Laghu starting, or if you want to better understand, the last one is the 2 dhritas, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here only the song will start. The second dhrita end part will be beginning of the song. So what it is, this is called as Atita. Okay, so the Atita means the song is starting before the Avritam starts, the fresh or fresh Laghu starts. Okay, now I'll explain you, because as a Kuchipudi dancer, I will be taking Kuchipudi items. So there is a Tulja Rajendra Shabda, Jhanuta. Okay, this is there for certificate exam conducted by Pottisri Ramlu Telugu University. Globally, this exam is done. So I'm giving this example. So that jati we have to say, because as I told you before the original one, the fresh avrutam starts, the song will be starting. So the jati. Januta, Jenuta languta, kita kinata, kinadhanaku dhimim dhimi jagata, jaganaku taganaku tajjanuta, tehi tatam dhana. Here it is starting. It starts the last dhritam ka second part. Okay, again we'll do. Januta, Jenuta languta, kita kinata, kinadhanaku dhimim dhimi jagata, jaganaku taganaku tajjanuta. Oh, sorry. Jenuta, Jenuta languta, kita kinata, kinadhanaku dhimim dhimi jagata, jaganaku taganaku tajjanuta, tehi tatta, dhana dhana tasara sudaura, dhana dhana tasara sudaura, nadagu kavi kruti kai kora. Another important item we have to learn in Bhama Kalapa, the Madana Darbu. That is also Aditam. That means it starts in the Dhrita only. The second part of the Dhrita, it will start. So for that also we have to see the Jati. Tatum, takatum, tadhimi, takita, dhimi, tam, tatum, tei, tatei, tatum, takatum, tadhimi, takita, dhimi, tam, tatum, tei, tatei, takita, 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 tam, takita, 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 tei, takita, 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 tam, diginata, 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 madana, 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 yeno chu madana. So like that, the Atita Graha will start the song before than the Tala. The second one is Anagata. We get more songs in this Anagatam, where the song will start after the Talam. Sometimes Takita gap will be there, Taka gap will be there, especially Tyagaraja Kirtanas, many will come like this. Okay, so I, as a Kuchipudi dancer, I am singing that again, the best example from the Bhama Kalapa. Many of you must be knowing that, you know, Siggaye Nedaru. Takita Siggaye Niu Yamma Peru Chepa Siggaye No Yamma Peru Chepa Siggaye No Yamma Siggaye no Yamma Chinnanata Nundi Siggaye. So that gap we have to leave. Now suppose you are doing Tyagaraja Pancharatna Kirtana, Kanakana Ruchira, Taka gap should come. For every swaram when it starts, if you are doing the Pallavi, it repeats. So we have to take two aksharas, the Taka akshara, in such way we have to choreograph our steps also. So this is very important for a dancer to do the choreography of the song, which starts either in Atita Graha or Anagata Graha. Okay, Samagraha, there is no problem at all. Because the song and the Tala both are starting together, you have to just normally, there is no increasing the word, letters or syllables or decreasing the syllables. Only it comes when Atita, we have to decrease the syllables or the aksharas, and in Anagata, it will be increasing. I hope you understood this. So, in the Tala aspect, I am concluding here. Okay, so the laya is very important, and the graha prana lakshanam also is very important. I hope you understood. Thank you.